Microsoft's keynote was very exciting. Some of the talking points that we bring to the table are all around inclusivity. We want to make sure that customers both on-prem and out there can meet together like it's all in one place. And that's really the key point of the whole keynote. We see a few challenges out there in the market, and one of them really is around having a single platform to do all of your collaboration needs. A lot of solutions end up being siloed across different software, and so what we really want to see done here is everything is on top of Teams. It's one place to work. We think AI is going to be really the biggest key point. As you saw again in our keynote, Lon demonstrated how AI is actually changing many things and making meetings easier. Soon AI will be that perfect assistant to have you just join a meeting, fix your audio, fix your video, and bang, there you go. Events like UC Expo are so important to both customers and vendors because they take the effort to bring us two together. And so we're able to talk to our customers, and our customers are here to get information from us. They have access to all of our experts.